What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DollarMike back at again with another video. In this video, if you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going over the top stocks, I believe my personal picks for the top stocks of 2021. The stocks that you should probably take a look at, possibly invest in if you want to actually do something like that and go about your day in 2021. Either way, these stocks are just my suggestions and for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, I'm not a stock advisor, anything like that. So invest at your own risk. You know the deal. You got the deal. Okay, let's actually get started. Let's run the video. Let's go. My personal picks are in no particular order, and that's a lot of P's right there, so make sure you drop a like on this video. But in all seriousness, please drop a like on the video. It definitely helps the channel out, and it's definitely the easiest way to help me as a creator grow. So thank you very much for the like, and let's get right into it. Let's start off with Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And to be completely honest, Apple has no need for an introduction. Apple has the Mac lineup, the iPad lineup, the iPhone lineup, as well as the Apple Card, the Apple Watch lineup with Apple Fitness Plus, the Apple TV lineup with Apple TV Plus, as well as Apple Music. On top of all that, Apple is now making their own processors, so they have the new M1 chip, which is taking on the likes of NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Plus, the rumors are finally picking up that an Apple car could be on the roads by 2024. Even after all of that, this stock still pays a dividend. If you don't own any Apple stock, make sure you grab some in 2021 because they're on a run. As of recording this video, Apple's stock price is $137.10. It's currently up about 4% today, and as you can see from my position on Apple, I have about 5.8 shares. I definitely do plan on buying more shares of Apple, and I hope to get to 10 very soon. Let's switch gears to an ETF, Roundhouse Sports Betting and iGaming. Ticker symbol is BETZ. This stock is up 67% in just the year of 2020. I don't see it stopping anytime soon in 2021, especially when more and more states allow sports betting to be legal. Bets has holdings in Penn National Gaming Incorporated, Flutter Entertainment, as well as DraftKings Incorporated. So it's the real deal, and I'll definitely be investing more. As I mentioned before, Bets is up roughly 67% just in the year of 2020, and I expect it to go even higher in the year of 2021. So definitely get your shares in. I actually just recently bought another share today, so I'm sitting at roughly 11.5 shares at an average cost of $17, roughly $300 in market value. Good stuff there. You can see my overall gain with it is 52%. I expect it to go only up, and I do plan on investing more. I don't know about you, but I'm taking some trips in 2021. My next recommendation is Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. Airbnb recently arrived on the stock market as of December 10th of 2020. I personally still think this stock price is a little too high. Currently, it is sitting at a rough $155 per share. I believe a solid Airbnb investment should be under $100 a share, but if it's around $130, I'll consider investing some money. Simply put, Airbnb allows any home to be a hotel. They have vacation rentals, general homes, actual hotels, online experiences, as well as offline experiences. So all of your travel needs should be met and can be met with Airbnb. And like I said before, I'll jump in when I see the price is right. Airbnb is down about 4% today. They're sitting at roughly $148 a share. Like I mentioned before, I don't have any position on Airbnb currently, but if it gets below that $130 mark, and especially under that $100 mark, I'll definitely be investing in Airbnb. I do believe in Airbnb for the future. This is more of a 5-year long-term play for me. But I mean, you could make a little bit of money in 2021. It all really depends on the price. Either way, I personally don't really recommend this unless you can get it under $130 a share. But really, I don't want to get in until it's under $100 a share, because honestly, that's what I think it's worth. So it's that simple. Listen, clean energy is good energy, and Guggenheim Solar does just that, and they bundle that all into one simple package for you in the form of an ETF. Ticker symbol TAN, T-A-N. There are already plenty of solar companies on the market as it is today, and keeping track of them to actually figure out which one you want to invest in might just be a complete hassle. So in this case, TAN's case, it does all the work for you, and you can invest in simply all of them at once. You'll have Enphase Energy Incorporated, Solar Edge Technologies Incorporated, First Solar, Sunrun, as well as SunPower, and that's just to name a few. Trust me, they have plenty, and that's all covered in the entire solar index. At the end of the day, clean energy is the future, and President-elect Biden thinks so as well. That's why he's trying to pass a solar bill. So if that bill does get passed, then guess what's going to happen to TAN stock? It'll probably increase just a little bit. Just saying. On top of all that, you'll still get paid a very small dividend, but hey, something is better than nothing. Either way, I would look at this ETF as more of growth. Same thing goes for BETZ. TAN is also another one I don't have a current position in, but as you can see, it's sitting at roughly $102 a share right now as I'm recording this video, and it's up a whopping 230% in the year of 2020. So let's just say it's a good investment. I personally think it's a good investment, and I personally think that solar is the future in some sort of way. So what I'm basically saying is get some tan if you can get some tan, establish some type of position. Personally, I think I'm going to go ahead and play some options on this. Not right at this moment, but in the near future, yes. This next one on the list is a classic. It's Disney. Ticker symbol DIS. No, I honestly question how Disney isn't a monopoly. Somehow it's not a monopoly, but either way, let's just get into it. Disney owns Pixar, they own Marvel, they own LucasArts, which is essentially Star Wars, they own National Geographic, they own part of Hulu, they also own ESPN, ABC, Lifetime, History, A&E, as well as FX. And just you wait until those Disney parks open back up. Trust me, the revenue will be flowing in and they'll be doing just fine as they've been doing for generations. Disney stock has been on quite a rise in the past 3 months. As you can see, they're up 42% just in the past 3 months. It's sitting at $179 a share right now, and my position is kind of small on Disney, but I do plan on investing more. I have about 1.5 shares of Disney at an average cost of $114. As you can see, $179 right now. I do plan on investing more, but it's kind of expensive, so when I get around to it, I'll get around to it. I'm not gonna lie, AMD, ticker symbol AMD, came out swinging this year with their new chips. They're up a whopping 94% in 2020. They killed Intel in 2020 with their new Ryzen chips. I'm excited to see what they can do in 2021. Hopefully they can translate that over to their graphics cards, and honestly, it'll be some problems. As I mentioned before, I'll definitely be paying a close eye to AMD, sitting at roughly $91 a share right now. I currently do not have a position with AMD, but that is all set to change in the future, so we'll be watching. We'll wait and see when a good time is to get in. But for me right now, I personally don't have any, but I do plan on investing some. Personally, I'm up over 200% with this next stock, and it's up over 1,500% in the year of 2020. Unbelievable. That is AG, Eagle Aerial Systems, ticker symbol UAVS. I've been looking at this stock since it was around 70 cents a share, and now it's sitting at a whopping $6.86 a share. I recently sold over 100 shares for a nice profit around $7.30, so this is the real deal. Possibly it could just be hype, it could just be smoke and mirrors, but personally I don't think so. To keep it short and sweet, UAVS makes drones. They make drones that could possibly deliver packages. And you know who wants to deliver a lot of packages in the best time possible? I think that's Amazon. So it's a possibility that Amazon could either partner with this company in the future or buy them out as a whole. Cool. Now, obviously, I'm not just basing this all out of thin air. There's been a lot of hype around this company. There has been some strange moves with this company and with Amazon. For instance, both of their headquarters being within a 1-mile radius of each other, as well as job postings for both companies, as well as high-ranking officials basically connecting with each other. Of course, you can go in and do all the research you want. Trust me, there is plenty of research to do on this company, but I personally believe, I could be 100% wrong, but I personally believe that they'll either partner with Amazon or Amazon will buy them out completely. In either case, I win. Honestly, the recent spike up from about $2.50 to about $8 is actually ridiculous because there was actually no news at all. So the fact that it can do that from no news just shows that it can do a lot if we actually had some news. So let's find out. Let's see what this company can actually do. Like I said before, if you want to jump in, I'll recommend you jump in under $5. My current position on UAVS is actually not on Robinhood. As you can see right here, there's no position here. It's actually on a stock trading app called Webull. Right now, UAVS is sitting at $6.47 as of recording this video. And like I mentioned before, I recommend that you do a lot of research to find out if you want to invest in a company like UAVS, as well as if you do really want to get into it and you don't really want to do any research, which I really don't recommend, I would say just try to get in anywhere under $5. Still looking at UAVS right here on Webull. If you guys don't know what the investing platform Webull, I've made a full-blown video talking about how you can buy and sell shares on Webull, and I'm actually getting to options on Webull as we speak. So if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get yourself 4 free stocks, because they actually just extended it. It doesn't actually end December 31st. That was when it ended before, but now it ends January 15th. So if you want 4 free stocks just for signing up with Webull, then you can do that. Just make sure you hit my link down below for Webull. You'll get yourself 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up, and then another 2 when you deposit your first $100 onto the platform. So go ahead, get yourself 4 free stocks, and let's go ahead and move on to the next pick. Last stock I want to mention today is a stock that I've heavily invested in. I've bought options with, I've traded over and over. I actually have the most watch time, I guess you could say, looking at this stock, and that stock is Tesla. Ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla stock price is honestly the most unpredictable thing ever, but I'm here for it. I love every moment. Either way, the Tesla stock price is up 671% in the year of 2020. People still underestimate this company. They say the stock price should be around $90 a share, which is honestly ridiculous. But hey, if it did drop down to $90 a share one day, I would definitely buy even more. People really think Tesla is just a car company, and that's simply not true. I'll have a full-blown video talking about Tesla coming soon on the channel, but for the time being, I'm buying every single dip possible for Tesla. Overall, I'm averaging down to the best of my ability. This stock price jumps every single day, so it's always fun to be had in the stock. There's always plenty of money to be made in this stock, even with it now being in the S&P 500. We'll see what happens in 2021, but honestly, I see Tesla stock price hitting $1,000 by the end of 2021. Tesla. As I predicted, or I guess just assumed, this stock is still going up and down, doing crazy stuff, being very volatile, basically is what I'm saying. Being very volatile while in the S&P 500. I have no doubts about this company. Either way, this is a long-term play for me, and I'll make a full-blown Tesla video coming soon. But as you can see, it's sitting at roughly $663 a share right now. And my position overall, I have one option as well, but my position overall is roughly 3 shares for an average cost of $400. I wish it was lower, but hey, it is what it is. But either way, I personally recommend that you always buy the dip on every single Tesla dip, and trust me, this company dips often, and it also shoots up often. So you can make some quick money if that's what you want to do, but if that's not what you want to do, if you want to be a long-term investor in Tesla like myself, then I would just say, just buy the dip, because honestly, $662 now, or $663 a share is a lot of money. So basically just dollar cost average and watch those gains over 2021, and we'll see where Tesla is at the end of 2021. And hopefully, like I mentioned before, I'm thinking about $1,000 a share. So we'll find out. Time will tell. So that's it. That is my top stock picks for the year of 2021. If you want to invest in some of them or all of them, you can do just that. Or if you have suggestions down below, which I'm sure you do, because there's plenty of picks to talk about. Let's be completely honest. It's plenty of different stocks that I didn't mention in this video that I'm sure will do quite well in 2021. But honestly, we will be here all day. We're talking about every single pick possible. So if you have some picks that you want to let me know about, then drop them down in the comment section below. Maybe you want to let somebody else know, also drop them down in the comment section below. Or you can hit me up on my Instagram and we can talk about it there. We can also talk about that on my Twitter. And you can also like the video because I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. That's kind of it for this video. Make sure you get yourself 4 free stocks with Webull and another free stock with Robinhood. And that's basically it for this video. So I thank you for watching as always. I'm out. DollarMike. Peace.